Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve in mode 9y minus 6 is equals to 3 and we have to find the value of y square minus 4 by 3y. So let's start with today's video solution. So now if I remove mode, so the equation becomes 9y minus 6 is equals to plus minus 3. Now I am doing squaring both sides. So the equation becomes 9y minus 6 whole square is equals to plus minus 3 whole square. Now here we can use a very famous identity, that is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square is 9y square. That is 81 y square plus 36 minus 2ab. So 2 times 9y times 6. 9 times 2 is 18 and 18 times 6 is 108 is equals to 3 square is 9. Plus minus minus will become positive and plus. Now I am going to divide both sides by 9. So it becomes 9y square plus 4 minus 12 is equals to 1. Now this we can divide the whole equation by 3. So it becomes 9 by 3 is 3y square plus 4 by 3 minus 4y is equals to 1 by 3. So 3y square minus 4y is equals to 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3. So 3y square minus 4y is equals to minus 3 by 3. That is 3y square minus 4y is equals to minus 1. Now I am going to divide both sides by 3. So equation becomes y square minus 4 by 3y is equals to minus 1 by 3. And we have to find the value of y square minus 4 by 3y. So this is our final answer, that is minus 1 by 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.